This boy discovered that his orange cat was pregnant. The problem was that his 3 male cats were all neutered. So, who could be the father? One day, while playing with her, he noticed her belly was unusually large and thought she was sick. Worried, he rushed to the vet, who revealed she was expecting kittens. The boy was shocked. He had rescued the stray cat only a week ago. Back home, he tried to figure out which of his cats was responsible. Then he saw his gray cat acting suspiciously and assumed it was the father. Angry, he separated them. But when the kittens were born, none of them looked like the gray cat. That's when he finally understood. She had already been pregnant when she lived on the street. In the end, he forgave the gray cat and gave the mother and her babies all the love and care they needed.